Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use LTX-2.3 Image-to-Video to create this nice video using ComfyUI 4 seconds video.
Hours are silent. I am not.
Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here, run ComfyUI from here. Okay, go templates. Okay, make sure it's ComfyUI is selected right here and all templates. Okay, after that, go here to LTX-2.3 Image-to-Video. Select this one. Okay, when you select, you have this 6 error found. When I click here, we have those 5 models to download and an input image in this site. Okay, to download those models, just click here, and the downloading is started, as you can see. For me, I already downloaded all those files. Let's add it one by one. Okay, how to add those files? First, let's go here. We have to follow this locations. Okay, let's make it right here. And where is my ComfyUI? Okay. I have downloaders. Okay, the first one. In checkpoints, we have to add this LTX-2.3. Okay, let's add this LTX-2.3 depth. Go here to ComfyUI, select ComfyUI, go to modulus, choose checkpoints, and add this one right here. Okay, return here to modulus. Second one is lower-VRAM. Where is lower-VRAM? Select lower-VRAM. We have to add 2 modulus to add. This one and the geometry. Select both and paste it right here. And return here to modulus. The final one is the upscale model. Attend upscale modulus. Select this one. Got it. Okay, and paste it right here. Okay, fine. This is we are done from step. Let's reload the page, and the error is fixed, but there is one error. What's this? Geometry FP4 mixed. We have to download this model and add them to text encoders. Okay, let's download. Click here, download. Okay, it takes some time to download this model. Okay, fine, downloading is finished. Okay, let's return here to download this and add our text encoder. Got this file here and go here, search for text encoders. And paste it right here. Now, reload the page. Okay, now media input is missing. We have to add our image here and our prompt. Okay, let's go right here. For the prompt, I want to use this. You can get any prompt from as you want from ChatGPT. For the image, I want to choose this image. Okay, now let's hit run and let's see. Open Task Manager. Let's see the GPU. Okay, it uses around 10 gigabytes of GPU. For the RAM, 28. Okay, as you can see, guys, we have finished creating this 4 seconds video. Okay, this is the width, this is the height. The duration is 5 seconds. You can just add 1 frame per second, 25 frame per second. If you have 8 gigabytes of VRAM or less, change this one. to 480 by 800. Okay, let's see our video.
The old powers are silent. I am not. The old power.
Okay, as you can see, it looks very nice. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is all for this